Hello everyone. My name is Max and I love animals, especially farm animals. Today we're going to learn about some farm animals. Are you ready? Let's go visit the farm. Look, it's a duck. Ducks like to swim in the pond and eat worms. Duck. 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 This is a pig. Pigs are very dirty animals and they like to roll in the mud. Pig. 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 This is a goat. Goats like to climb on things and eat grass. Goat. 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 This is a sheep. Sheep have soft, woolly fur. Sheep. 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 This is a horse. Horses are big and strong. They can run very fast. Horse. 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 This is a cow. Cows give us milk. Cow. 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 This is a rooster. Roosters wake us up in the morning. Rooster. 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 This is a hen. Hens lay eggs too. Hen. 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 This is a chick. Chicks are baby chickens. Chick. 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 This is a rabbit. Rabbits have long ears and love to eat carrots. Rabbit. 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 My favorite animal is a rabbit. What is your favorite farm animal? Farm animals are so much fun. Can you name all the animals we learned today? Great job, everyone. I hope you enjoyed learning about farm animals with me today. Remember, always be kind to animals. Goodbye.